In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payoneer account personal details. Whether you're updating your email, adjusting your address, or simply refreshing your contact information, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. First, let's head over to the Payoneer website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Payoneer URL. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your usual credentials. When you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click and it should drop down a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Here, you should see an option labeled Profile Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to make the changes you need. Now that you're in the Profile Settings section, you'll see several fields available for editing. Start by clicking on the field where your name is displayed. If you've recently changed your name or noticed a typo, you can update it here. Make sure to double check for accuracy before moving on to the next field. Next, let's look at your email address. Click on the email field and enter the updated email address you'd like associated with your Payoneer account. It's important to use an email you check regularly, as this is where you'll receive important notifications from Payoneer. Moving on, if your business details have changed, click on the Line of Business section. Update any necessary information that accurately reflects your current business activities. This is essential for ensuring that your profile is consistent with your professional endeavors. After that, navigate to the Address section. If you've moved recently or just need to correct a detail, click to edit your address. Make sure to include all the necessary components, like street name, city, and zip code, so there are no issues with correspondence or billing. Lastly, let's update your phone numbers. Click on the Phone Numbers section to add or adjust any contact information. This is crucial for account security, as Payoneer may need to reach you for verification purposes. Once you've made all the necessary changes, review everything carefully. Payoneer might require you to confirm certain changes via email or another form of verification, so keep an eye out for any follow-up instructions. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Payoneer account personal details, ensuring everything is current and correct. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Payoneer's customer support is just a click away to assist you further.